Hello everybody, this is Glen from Metro Hobbies at Box Hill. I've been building models for over 40 years and often people have asked me which is the best kits to start building with, and I always say Tamiya kits are great. They're easy to build, inexpensive and fairly accurate. They have loads of armour and loads of aircraft. So let's go and have a look. Okay, so you want to build an aircraft kit. I highly recommend this particular brand, Tamiya, which has a great range of aircraft in 148 scale and 172 scale. What you're seeing here is 148, which is quarter scale. That was what I highly recommend. They're a good size and they give you a lot of options. In this kit, it's one of my favorite models, the Messerschmitt ME109E4/E7 is a great starting point. It's easy to build and has a lot to offer. You get, of course, in this kit, a painting guide and decal guide. Simple instructions that to me always give you the best instructions because they're always easy to follow and mostly between 15 and 20 steps. In this point, you get 2 sprues of parts. And that's all you get because that's all you need. You get the fuselage, the wings, wheels, and cockpit details. But all in all, the kit is fantastic and has a lot to offer for its price. Also in the box, you get the clear parts, which is the canopy, and a great selection of decals. Normally with Tamiya kits, you get about 3 or 4 options. In this kit, you get 3, which is fantastic. You also get this fantastic tips and technique guides, which will help you get through any issues that you might incur. Other than that, this kit is a gem and worth the money you pay for. Tamiya's great range of tanks, and they cover World War II, modern, even going through Vietnam. They have a great amount of kits to choose from, and they're also relatively easy to build, as well as inexpensive. One of the best ones to choose from is Tamiya's older kits from the mid to late 70s. They are relatively easy to construct. Although they're a little bit inaccurate, they are still damn good kits. Here are some of the parts, and if you have a look at this right here, again, you've only got 2 sprues, and you've got the wheels, you've got the shields, the top of the actual vehicle, and the lower hull is one piece. Now, Tamiya's early kits also have single track links, okay, so you don't have to put them together like some of the later kits, which are quite complex and time consuming. These track links are practically a one piece, and they're vinyl. They go together with normal glue, and they just go on. These kits are a great way to start. If you want to get into armour, look no further. Tamiya's range of armour kits is fantastic. Finally, you need some tools to get you through this. What you need is a pair of basic clippers to cut the parts off the sprue. They're safe and easy to use and relatively also inexpensive. Then you need yourself one of these little Excel knives. This will help you trim the parts off so the parts will fit to the model a lot easier. Finally, you need glue. Now you have liquid glue like this, or the old type, which is known as the original type of glue, which is bi-reval, which has a fine needle type end to make it more precise. And that's all you need. So get out there, buy some kits and start building today. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and we'll see you next time. Stay safe and take it easy.